Hello, delicious recipes fans. Today, we're diving into a culinary catastrophe that's been making waves around the globe. Our subject, a chicken fillet with rice recipe that promises to be incredibly delicious. But what we got here is more of a hilarious hot mess. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's explore this comedy of errors in the kitchen. Chapter 1: The Great Chicken Fillet Debacle. Our hero begins with a chicken fillet and a dream, but things quickly go awry. Seasoning the fillets with salt, black pepper, and paprika is standard practice, but marinating them in just olive oil for 15 minutes, that's a rookie mistake. Top chefs would recommend adding some acid, like lemon juice or vinegar, to tenderize the meat and impart more flavor. Chapter 2: The Onion Odyssey. A tale of two onions unfolds as our chef fumbles with both blue and regular onions. The plot thickens when they're fried for only 1 minute, leaving them undercooked and lacking the caramelized flavor that could have elevated the dish. The addition of tomato paste and hot water seems like an attempt to create a sauce, but without any herbs or spices, it's a bland, watery mess. Chapter 3: The Carrot Conundrum. Next, our intrepid cook introduces a carrot, but promptly forgets about it while frying the marinated chicken. The chicken gets cooked with the sauce for 7 minutes, but we can't help but wonder, where is the carrot? Did it run off with a celery stick in search of a better recipe? Chapter 4: The Rice Ruckus. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, our chef begins cooking rice. But instead of using a flavorful broth or adding seasonings, they settle for plain salted water. Talk about missed opportunities. World-renowned chefs would weep at the sight of such bland rice. Chapter 5: The Forgotten Carrot's Return. In a shocking twist, the forgotten carrot resurfaces, joining forces with another onion and a pepper. The trio is fried together, finally bringing some semblance of harmony to the dish. But alas, it's too little too late. Chapter 6: The Great Corn Caper. Just when you thought things couldn't get any stranger, our chef throws in corn, 150 grams, to be exact. This unexpected addition appears out of left field, leaving taste buds perplexed and longing for coherence in this chaotic concoction. Chapter 7: Rice to the Rescue, or Not. With a misguided sense of optimism, our chef combines the cooked rice with the fried vegetables, hoping for a miraculous transformation. Instead, we're left with a mishmash of flavors and textures that simply don't belong together. Chapter 8: Dilution. In a final attempt to save the dish, our chef sprinkles it with chopped dill. But as any top chef would know, dill is far from a one-size-fits-all herb. Its strong, distinct flavor is an odd choice for this muddled mess of a meal. Epilogue: The Aftermath. Our chef proudly plates their creation, proclaiming it incredibly delicious. We can't help but chuckle at their optimism. It's a testament to the human spirit, or perhaps just culinary delusion. So, there you have it, folks. A hilariously disastrous chicken fillet with rice recipe that truly drives us crazy. But hey, at least we got a good laugh out of it. Thank you for joining us on this wild ride, and remember, if you're going to cook, do it better than this. Until next time, stay delicious. Goodbye and bon appetit if you dare.